Well, here we are again on Zoom. Congratulations to the class of 2021. This has been quite a year. We started the year with a lot of uncertainty, but one thing we were banking on was that you were going to be successful. We all had to find our way. None of it was easy. At times we were frustrated. First, we had to learn to remember to turn on the mute button or to turn off the mute button, as the case may be. Don't mute me now. I think the greatest takeaway, the thing I'm most proud of, is that you stuck with it. We've arrived at the point of being able to celebrate your success. The challenges that we faced collectively, we've been able to surmount. And if anything that is going to read through is going to be the resilience of the class of 2021. I'm also incredibly grateful for the men and women that work at North Country Community College. They care deeply about our students. You couldn't have a greater group of people to work with. So today we get to celebrate you, and we get to celebrate us, because you are the best of us, right? You are the best of us. You are going forward with all of the hopes and promises that we had for your success. And you know what? Today we get to celebrate that. So class of 2021, congratulations. You did it. And you did it within a pandemic. And we couldn't be prouder of you.
This year was unique, to say the least.
Too bad we couldn't have spent more time together.
I miss being with you in the classroom.
On the playing field.
And in the hospital. But there's certain things we wouldn't change.
We've seen you grow in ways that students in the past just haven't had to.
We learned so much about ourselves
and about each other.
Our goal was to learn and to graduate.
COVID-19 was not going to stop us.
As you get older, you realize the things you learn in college, they're important.
They're really important.
But there are skills you pick up along the way that are harder to teach.
But just as critical.
Like grit.
And persistence.
And knowing how to stay positive in a bad situation.
You did all of that.
And then some.
I want to tell you.
We want to tell you. That if you can do this,
you can do anything.
Nothing is too big, too hard,
or too annoying to get through.
The lessons you've learned this year will stay with you forever.
What we've been through this year, we'll never forget.
In some ways, this year was a real gift. I feel like it brought us closer together as people, not just as teacher and student.
We were able to not only help each other with class, but also with anything outside of class as well.
These students taught me to really show genuine compassion, genuine concern, and empathy for others.
They've been monumental in keeping up with their work.
Thank goodness many of you had a sense of humor, which got us through some pretty tough times.
They've made it through this last year. They can make it through everything that life has to throw at them.
I'm so proud of my students' perseverance.
You guys should be feeling really, really proud of yourself.
I'm most proud of the fact that not only did we finish it, but we finished it with guts and with grace.
I'm looking forward to being able to help a lot of people, especially during this pandemic.
This group has had to rise to challenges that we could never have anticipated, and we're so proud of the hard work that they've done and the resilience that they've demonstrated.
I am just most proud of the way that they have come together, the way that they have continued to inspire and motivate each other during this year.
You should be feeling great, very proud of yourselves and knowing that you accomplished a great deal against insurmountable odds sometimes.
We're all so proud of you and so impressed with every single one of you. I can't wait to see what you guys do to change the world.